for me, I fancied a total career change, so I went to do a course in college to do health and social care, and then I decided to follow that on with going to university to do my degree as a social worker.
I understand you spent some placements here at Denbighshire.
Yes, I spent all 3 years doing placements within Denbighshire on different teams, and I really enjoyed them.
So what made you come back to the county?
At the end of my last placement, a job came available, and I'd enjoyed it so much and found the team really supportive that I decided to apply for a job.
You mentioned the job there. What actually do you do from a day-to-day basis?
We do a number of different things. Every day is different, but I complete a lot of assessments, meeting with people, going to meetings, lots of different things. It's very busy, but every day is different and it's very rewarding. You can do the hours that suit you. There's a lot of home working. They're very flexible, and especially with me because I'm a parent, it fits in well with my work-life balance, definitely.
So you tell anybody who's interested in a career to give it a go?
Definitely to give it a go, yeah.